Sitecore AI, it's kind of presented as an upgrade, and it's really not, especially if you're on a different platform or even if you're on an older version of Sitecore where maybe you've implemented it in MVC. If you take a lift and shift approach, you're really put a round peg into a square hole. You're also really losing the opportunity to really make sure the solution you're building is the right solution from your platform. So when you do it right, it actually takes a lot of thought. It takes looking at your existing site. It takes uh, figuring out what is the right level of my templates. Are there fields that I don't need anymore? Are there templates that I don't need anymore? What's the right way to build our components? What's the right way to assemble our templates in a way that's going to be usable to content authors? How do I think about some of the additional features like search? Most existing Sitecore implementations are leveraging something like a custom Solar implementation. That doesn't work in Sitecore AI. So how do you make sure you're going to get the right relevancy and the right results? And then content migrations are I think, often overlooked, but they're really important. Like that the content that you have, that the experiences that you have will exist on the new platform. So really taking a step back and thinking through all these steps and making sure you're accounting for them in your plan is really important.